Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to swap TRC20 USDT in Trust Wallet. So here, open up your Trust Wallet, enter your passcode, and locate your TRC20 USDT. But unfortunately, there's no TRC20 yet. There's only ERC, which is your Ethereum network, and Tron is not yet available here in your Trust Wallet. But if you do have it in your contact address right here, and it's listed, all you have to do is press the swap button, select it from here, but there is no actual Tron network yet available in my place, but in yours, if it is, you can do so by just checking that out, USDT, and swapping it to another coin that you have want right here. So if you want to swap it to TRX right here, you can even do so. So enter an amount, 10 USDT, and then it will automatically charge you and show you another queue balance of what it would look like, and to show you provider fees and many much more. Once you have done that, all you have to do is just swap it out right here and you'll be on your way. But if you have insufficient balance, of course, it's not going to push through. So there you go, guys. That is how you swap TRC20 USDT in Trust Wallet.